All right, real quick, I just wanted to walk you guys through how to swap your IoT or your HNT or your mobile or your Solana back and forth between those four within the Helium Black Wallet app. This is the app that you use if you have a Helium miner that's mining IoT. So this is where you would get your rewards and move things in and out as you choose. So real quick, this is the main screen. I have some of my coins in here, not a lot, but you can see that I have HNT, IoT, mobile, and Solana. If you click down here where you see this little kind of like a Wi-Fi looking icon, the second one down at the bottom here, this will show you your current hotspots. So you can see my hotspot down here. I've blocked off the name just to kind of keep my location a little hidden. But you can see I haven't claimed these rewards yet, so I have 1.2 IoT. So why don't we claim those rewards so I can kind of show you how the claiming system works. So all you would do, first I would pull down and refresh because sometimes it doesn't have the latest amount of IoT, so always refresh before you do this. Then you literally just click claim all rewards. Okay, since your last hotspot you have earned 1195, so we're going to add all to the account. And you're just going to sit here. You could see it's confirming transactions, one total transaction remaining. Sometimes this takes a second or two, it usually doesn't take more than a minute. So we're just going to sit here and wait. I'm going to do this in real time so you can actually see how it is completely working. So you can skip ahead if you don't want to watch this screen, just kind of sit here. But it is confirming the transactions, and you can see it's going. All right, rewards claimed. You can go back to collectibles, which is just where it's storing the NFT for your miner. But if you hit the dollar sign here, you can then see that the IoT is now in my wallet. Now, what if I don't want to keep IoT? I want to swap this for Solana. I'm pretty bullish on Solana right now because it's kind of going up and doing pretty well. So we're going to swap half of this IoT for Solana. Yeah, it's only like $2, but we're going to do it anyway. So down at the bottom, you have all these icons. The one on the far right is what you want. Don't use this swap icon in the middle here. You'll get charged more fees, and you just don't want to use it. I've never used it. So we're going to hit this little world icon down at the bottom right. So you see that. And then you get this list of verified websites. We're going to go to jup.ag. The ones above it are where you can lock up your HNT and get IoT rewards and things like that. I did it before, but I didn't really think it was worth it, so I'm not doing it anymore. But anyway, so jup.ag is what we're going to click on. It's going to launch this website, and it's going to ask for access to your wallet. So we're going to connect the wallet. So we're going to hit connect. And then once we're here, you'll see my IoT appears here. You can click on the coin and change it if you'd like, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go IoT to Solana. We're going to hit this half button right here, and then that's going to take half of the IoT that we have. It's going to swap it to Solana. So like I said, it's like $2.66. It finds the best places with the cheapest to swap, and then we're just going to hit swap. And that'll take a second. Like I said, we're doing this in real time. It's going to tell you the charges. So you'll receive this much. You're going to send that much IoT. Here's your network fee for Solana, which is pretty low. We're just going to hit approve. It's confirming the transaction. Solana's usually pretty quick unless the network's congested. So there you go. The swap was successful. So we're going to close that. And then we'll hit this X in the upper right-hand corner to close out of jup.ag. And we will go back to the dollar sign. We'll go down, and you can see that now we have another couple dollars in Solana here. And if we click, you can see that we received the tokens 1 minute ago. So that is the easiest way to swap and use this Helium Wallet app to swap between IoT that you get as rewards from your miner to different things. And if you wanted to send your tokens out. Like say I didn't want my Solana in here anymore, click on Solana and hit send. And then you would just enter the Solana address here and the amount of Solana you wanted to send and hit pay. And it would go through the process and send it out to your external wallet. And that's the same for any of these coins. So that in that aspect, it's very similar to any other wallet. If you wanted to stake things, you could go into these other websites, click at the top to connect your wallet, just like you would. And then governance power, you can go in here and you can lock your HNT and get rewards. I did it, like I said, I did it at the beginning, but I didn't think it was worth it, so I am not doing it anymore. But yeah, that's just a kind of a quick, basic rundown of how the Helium Black Wallet works with collecting your rewards from your miner and then swapping them between different tokens. The one thing, if you're in here and you do run into an issue where your swap fails, try to change your slippage. I think this is set to like 0.01 by default or something lower. I think I had an error come up when I was swapping IOT to mobile, so I changed the slippage to 3% and it worked fine. So you can mess around with that, but otherwise that is how you use this. And yeah, if you have any questions about how to use the mobile or the Helium Black Wallet app, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer any questions you have. All right.